Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Summit, Short Hills? Short Hills, New Jersey. And we have just completed French door entryway here with 3/8 inch clear tempered glass and custom gridding. If you want to see the before and afters, go ahead and hit up my either Instagram or Facebook to see the full gallery of it. All right. So the whole idea of the design here is to match sort of the grid work here with the other furniture in the entryway here, and also inside of this office there's a lot of detail work that kind of matches this as well. And of course we wanted something here because since the doors are so darn tall, we wanted to be sure somebody isn't just going to walk freely into a glass door because there's nothing really here to identify that there is a door. So this is also working as a privacy band, meaning it's giving a visual if you don't walk into the door. All right, so on this one we have matte black gridding. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I'll put a link right up here to forward you to the last matte black grid work we did. And we used brushed bronze hardware. This handle was supplied by the client as they match the existing furniture here, and I think it's almost a darn perfect match. And there we are. All right, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.